Can you get a 20-year lease? You probably can. The tenants usually want it. I don't want to give it to them. Can anybody guess why? Because I'm going to tell you how to be rich. Here's how rich becomes. He's really rich, how it happens. You put the property under contract at 600. When I get the tenant, I buy. If I don't have a tenant, I don't buy. Is that simple? There's no downside. There's only an upside. You can even have that in stock market. You can have that anywhere. So I got a tenant, property becomes worth $1 million. That's number one way to become instantly wealthy. Now I keep the property, and what do I have? I have rental increases every month, every year, 3%. Everybody with me? So if 3% of 8,000, so it's about what, 240, so about 9.5 years later, they're paying you about 10,000 a month. Everybody with me? Triple net, they pay the tax, insurance, maintenance. Now, what happened when I got the loan? What happened? The loan got paid, it's getting paid down. You're with me? Very little in the early years, then it starts dramatically decrease. Now, second way to become rich is do nothing. Just wait, enjoy life, go watch TV, go travel, do whatever you want, because you got the rental increase that increases the value of the property. Third way to become wealthy is 9 months before the lease expires, they call you. Hi, we've been paying you on time, we're Subway, and we would love to renew. How much would it be to sign a new 10 years? Can you jack up the rent? That's the third way to become wealthy, yes or no? If they want to renew, that's when you say, I'd like 12,000. And then that silence on the other line. Well, that's a 20% jump. I don't think I can approve that. Okay, well, I'm glad you called me now because we have 6 months. Why don't you give me a month here and I'll get back to you. What are you going to do in that month? Well, I'll be calling this other company called Quizno. Oh, no, we don't want you to call Quizno. We've been building rapport with the community here. We train the people. You're going to well, just give me a chance to call them. No, I didn't say no. I just said I'm not authorized to jump the lease 20%. Let me get a supervisor, right? We need supervision. We need those guys, not regular vision, supervision. They got to be in the vicinity to have any vision. So they can get you somebody that says, yes, no problem. Send us the what? The addendum to the lease for another 10 years. And what? We have the other 3% escalation. If they say no, okay, no problem. Have a good day. Boom, hang up. They're obligated for 6 more months in the lease. And who do we call? We call Quizno. Who do we call? All the other tenants. It's a lot easier now. Why? We've had a place remodeled, up and running. A lot easier than empty. You're getting this? This is a perfect time. This is a window of opportunity where it will probably, in my lifetime at least, I'm 52, I don't know what your age is, it will never happen to be such a sweet spot. Where we just came in from a disaster market 2009, 10, 11, where the retailers got hit so bad, they couldn't expand. November 2011, you can track it, you can Google it, you can check it on USA Today. All these big tenants started saying, we got to increase locations now. Now we're back in business. Look at them. Ralph Lauren is increasing, Tommy Hilfiger. A lot of the big ones bought the little ones, and now they're on hyper growth. Quizno has been on a growth, 5,400 new locations. Look at Subway, look at Radio Shack. Best Buy is creating small Best Buy Express. McDonald's is creating the McDonald's McCafe, they're calling them. So, they're big, they're making smaller. Smaller, making bigger. What you call Walmart is trying to compete with Dollar General now. Burlington factories are now opening in the Caribbean. They never even entertained the Caribbean as locations to open in. CVS Pharmacy on hyper growth like you can't believe, making Walgreens now readjust their development and growth plans. If you own a pharmacy and you call Walgreens, they'll probably make you an offer. You call CVS, make you another offer. They're competing against each other. Let them eat each other alive. And you just walk your way to wealth. You see? And what happens here is you're making money this way. So when they tell me I want a 20-year lease, no, I want 10. I want to give you 10. I don't give them an option, 10 with an option for 10, because if they have an option, it's only increase of 3%. I don't give you an option. I got 10. Sharif, what if 2 years later they want to leave? They're stuck. They have a corporate guarantee backed by banks' credit lines. If they leave, they got to pay. That's actually the bad news is the good news. You're listening to me? How powerful this is? This is worth millions.